Now, when you say about healthiness of the plant,
Yes.
what do you want me to do? Because
There are times you have to revive the nutrients of the soil.
what do I do to revive?
Manuring, fertilizing.
Where do I pour it? Because look at this one for
Yeah.
instance.
So for coconut, you see where the branches actually, where it extends to.
Okay.
Okay. Whatever the branch extends to means the root is also at that side.
Okay.
So ideally, you manure in a circular form.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Please follow this carefully.
Yeah.
You are saying I look at the branches.
Yeah.
The extension of the branches.
Exactly.
And then I do the manuring around that cycle.
Exactly.
So
Ideally,
means
that's
the
what you're supposed to
root
do.
goes as far as that area.
Sure.
Wow.
Sure.
The root is not going straight. It is this way.
Yeah. It's this way. And it's all round.
Okay.
So you have to, ideally, you have to manure all round.
Okay.
Okay. But if you can't do that, you can take the middle of that extension and between the extension and the, let's say the stalk or the stem, then you do from the middle. Okay. Because this one will take a lesser manure than,
Okay. So let's look at the duration. Is it every year or every 5 years or every 2 years? To be caring for my matured.
Ideally, you're supposed to do it twice in a year.
Twice in a year.
Ideally.
Okay.
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 Yes. And super ideally, you have to do soil testing to know the nutrients that are deficient.
Okay. So while the plant is still producing, I should still be doing.
Yeah, soil testing
soil
is
testing.
something you have to do yearly.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's not done just once.
No. Before planting,
So those of you want to.
and also yearly, you have to do it. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, but it's expensive. So
Yes,
most
I know.
farmers, we don't do it.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll not say others don't do it. We don't do it.
Okay.
It's very expensive.
Okay.
But for us, when the coconut even starts fruiting, we don't give it chemical fertilizers again.
Okay.
It's just the poultry manure.
Okay.
So it's a natural form of
Right.
reviving the soil.
Okay.